Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in Atlantic City on a beautiful August summer night here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. They gave me a nice suite tonight, so I'm really appreciating that. Thank you, Hard Rock. But right now I plan on going downstairs. I'm kind of hungry. I want to check out Bricker's Burger right next door at the Showboat. Heard a lot about this place, some good things, some bad things, and I decided, you know what, Jeff from New York, why don't you go over there and check it out for yourself and let all the New Yorkers know what you think of the place. So that's what my intentions are. While I'm there, I plan on showing you guys around the arcade a little bit and the Raceway and things going on at the Showboat as well. So come on, I'm starved. Let's not dilly-dally. Let's head down the hallway, down the elevator, right next door to the Showboat and check out Bricker's Burgers, shall we? This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my last Las Vegas video, Town Square Mall. Congratulations, Deborah. Hold on tight. You thought I forgot, didn't you? I love galleries, and I particularly love this gallery, the Wentworth Gallery, because it's constantly changing. I'm here like once a week, and they seem to have new stuff every week, so that's really cool. Fortunately, I can't take videos or pictures inside, but I really do appreciate galleries. It's about 8:30 at night here on an August evening, so most of these trams are now out of service and heading back to their home base. Will they'll start up again tomorrow morning. So here I am at the Showboat at Bricker's Burger. The place is packed, but there's this whole empty room here. I'm not sure why it's not open. It could be understaffed or something like that. But in any event, I'm going to order something here, probably through the takeout window because there's a long wait. And then maybe I'll head back into the Showboat and just eat at the all-you-can-eat area here with some empty tables that they have available. So we'll see, but I'm going to take my order outside. By the way, as I'm editing this video, I realized I made a mistake when I was inside. I said all you can eat, and I meant to say Atlantic City Eatery. Showboat does not have a all you can eat establishment. This line is just not moving. Been here about 10 minutes. I don't think they've opened that window once. So I waited at the to-go window for about, I'm gonna say about 30 minutes. They've added a to-go fee of $1, and Showboat added their own fee of $1. Don't know what those are for. And on top of that, I ordered a bacon cheeseburger, and the receipt says cheeseburger. So we'll see what I get. I don't know. It's an experience, right? They bought me a bag. So here's the deal with Bricker's Burger. The food was okay. My burger was okay. The vegetables, the onion and tomato and lettuce, all tasteless. So I think they just had them either soaking in water or something, but all tasteless. The burger, the meat itself was pretty good though. I ordered a bacon cheeseburger. I got a cheeseburger. The fries were kind of like limp and soggy. But what really aggravated me was the added fees that aren't listed anywhere on the menu. There was a takeout fee of $1. There was a Showboat fee of $1. there are people who just ordered like a shake or 2 shakes on the boardwalk, and they had this $2 added to their tab. And there's a lot of this going around in the country, and I know it goes on in Las Vegas, and it goes on here in Atlantic City as well, but not to like a boardwalk burger joint. It made no sense. I had to wait online almost half an hour, and then they charged me a takeout fee. That doesn't make sense. So my advice to you is, if you want to try it, but I'm not coming back again. In the meantime, let's check out the Showboat and see what's going on at the Lucky Steak Arcade and the Raceway, shall we? Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. By the way, I wasn't the only one who noticed these fees. Everyone that was sitting around me, they have picnic tables outside, which is where I was sitting. Everyone was upset that these fees were not mentioned, not on the menu. It wasn't transparent. They were just added to the bill, and no one realized it until they got their food. And again, it's fast food. They shouldn't be doing that. Or if they are going to do it, they need to be transparent about it. My advice to you guys is, if I had to compare it to someplace on the boardwalk, it would be Johnny Rockets. You know how we feel about Johnny Rockets. No hidden fees or anything like that, and the food, much, much better. So, there you go. Let's see, once these go-karts start going, we'll see what they look like. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. By the way, did I mention how upset I am about that $2? I've never had $2 aggravate me more than those $2 freaking dollars, but it is what it is. Again, never again. I won't go there. It's up to you guys if you want to go there or not. The food's not bad, it's not great, but those hidden fees, and I mean hidden fees, are just really upsetting. And it wasn't just me. Like I said, there were people at my table. We shared a picnic table. They were equally as upset. So again, it is what it is. Next time, if I'm in the mood for a burger and fries and I want it fast, Johnny Rockets over at Bally's here in Atlantic City. In any event, I'm heading over into the Hard Rock. I got some good videos to make, and I'm gonna make one tonight, and that'll be coming up shortly here on the New York channel. Thanks for watching. If you want to try out Bricker's Burger, go ahead and do that. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought, or if you've been there before, let me know what you thought. And will you charge these hidden fees? That's the big question. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.